Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are free.
I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me. Well, good day to you wherever you are in the world. We're really looking forward to this game. Alongside me in the commentary box is Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter, and hello to everybody watching too. It's great to be here.
Well, looking at this lineup, Jim, I've got a few doubts as to who's going to be the key player, both for his creativity and his finishing, and I reckon you probably think the same.
Yeah, the player who's impossible to ignore here is obviously Kenny Dalglish.
A man with overwhelming aura, one of the greatest of all time.
Well, I can assure you, Peter, he's the best I ever played with, and his place amongst the true greats is totally assured.
Wanyama. Well, that's pretty clear. It is a foul. Well won. That's good play. Pogba. Is there any support? He might not need it. Brilliant! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
It's a privilege to sit here in the commentary box and watch that. This guy is so good, phenomenal.
Oh, high-quality goal. Wanyama. Making use of the space out wide. Rashford has a shot! Sticks it away! Gets my vote as one of the men of the moment.
Yeah, he's very much a man with a mission. He's getting a run of games, he's scoring goals, and his team is winning games. Listen, it's all rosy in the garden.
No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Well, this has certainly livened up the proceedings, and now there's a very real chance that the instinct will kick in and make them retreat, which is only going to be an open invitation now for this opposition to have a go and try and reply.
Whistle's gone, that's foul. Oh, good steal, he just read it. With a definite foul there. Rashford has a shot! Oh, no shortage of confidence there.
Yes, Peter, and credit to the fans who've created a really enthusiastic and quite upbeat atmosphere.
Miro para el cielo, me mira la gente, para ellos yo soy diferente, los gritos rebotan la...